In this presentation template, there are two image frames side by side for our two designs. So I'm going to show you how to copy and paste so I can select my entire design. And notice that this one is in a horizontal format, but my template is in a vertical format. Now there are a couple of ways I could go about that. I could rotate it using the transform tool, or I could start by rotating my image. Image rotation, and 90-degree clockwise, or if I want it to go in the other direction, I can shift that 180 degrees, and I've got the dark on the bottom. It gives a sense of gravity. Now I can Control All, Control Copy, bring that into my new template file, close or hide that text layer, Control V, and notice it's large. I'm going to use my transform tool, Control T, and I'm going to really bring that down in size because it's a 300 resolution large image file. So I want to maintain the entire texture composition that I created and bring that down in size. Now notice that the layer masks the design, so I want to make sure I'm not overlapping it into the other image area. That field, that frame is for my second design, so I want to make sure I get that size just right so that it fits, yet it looks good, but it's not overlapping the other design area. Okay, position that where I like it and apply that transformation. My other demo texture here, select it all, Control Copy, and notice here's that layer. Control V, it's added another layer, so I have to reduce that one in size, Control T, because now it's blocking both of them. Reduce that till it fits. Bring that into position, adjust it, making sure that it is completely framed by the border there, and apply that transformation, and I can save for web and title it my last name, first name, week number, and assignment number.